Students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be okay in your respective homes. Today, the pressure of COVID 19 is building, so you need to stay inside your homes. Do concentrate on self study so that you can crack the coming examinations with the difference. And also, you can defeat the COVID 19 infection with high immunity system and by building your immunity very strong. Dear students, today morning at about 6 a.m., a student from Sirajpura called me to make me learn. He is reading in class 12th. Change of voice for present simple tense in English. Change of voice in present simple tense in English. Change of voice means when we change sentence from active to passive. Active sentence is a sentence where the verb of the sentence is governed by the subject of the verb. It's always a normal voice. Remember, active sentence is a sentence where the verb of the sentence is dominated or governed by the subject, while passive isn't a normal voice, where in this type of sentence or in this type of voice, subject is acted upon. Subject is acted upon. Students needs change in present simple tense. So present simple tense is a tense in which you find first form of verb. Remember, a present simple tense is a tense in which you find the first form of verb. For example, I play hockey. I play hockey. Here is the first form of verb. I is the subject and hockey is the object. I play hockey is the present simple. This is the object. This is the subject, and what subject does is verb. When we change it from active to passive, in a passive voice, always subject is acted upon, so the object hockey in present simple with singular things we use is, and always in passive voice third form of verb is used. So hockey is played, played by. I get changed into me. So this present simple tense got changed from active to passive. I play hockey is active. Hockey is played by me is passive. Take another example. Rashid kills a bird. Rashid kills a bird. I have already told you a tense in which you form the first, in which you find the first form of a verb is present simple. So kill is the first form of verb. It has taken kills because Rashid being the third person singular. Here Rashid is the subject, bird is the object, and what subject it does is verb. So you are finding in it the first form of verb. So it is what? It is active. It is present simple and also active because the subject of verb dominates the verb. When we are changing it, a bird, bird is a singular object, is. In passive voice, always third form of the verb is used. A bird is killed by Rashid. This take next example. Boys beat a cat. Boys beat a cat. Beat is the first form of verb. Boy is the subject. Cat is the object. A tense in which you find the first form of verb is present simple, and boys here is the subject. It is dominating the verb. And what is object? It receives the action. And when we are changing it from active to passive, in a passive voice, remember, in a passive voice, subject is acted upon, and in a active voice, subject dominates the verb. So a cat is, because cat being the singular is, always in passive voice, third form of the verb is used. A cat is beaten, beaten by boys, beaten by boys. These are the three examples of the present simple tense, and they got changed from active to passive. This is enough for you to learn how we change active sentence to passive sentence in present simple tenses. Dear students, your problem got solved. Inshallah, in next class, I will make you learn rest of the tenses and how we can make the passive voice for these tenses. It's better for you to remain inside your homes and watch these videos and watch also and do also see things on the books so that you will grasp the concept well in the end. Your students pandemic underway, better to remain stick to the books so that you can build your future and also can crack the coming examination with a temperance and COVID-19 would not affect you. Thanks, be well, sir.